Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the first episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2025. Oh, I can't believe Thanksgiving is here. I love this time of the year. All the good food, family, friends, and also it's not only Thanksgiving, it is pie season. I love to bake pies for the holidays. And today I'm going to share with y'all a Southern classic pecan pie. 2 years ago, I shared with y'all my original pecan pie recipe, and I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. This year, we're going to make maple pecan pie. Oh, that sounds good. And I've done this recipe 5 years ago here on my channel, but I decided to redo it and update it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, thebomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with pure maple goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It would be a great hit at your Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving table. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more Thanksgiving recipes, check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, cheddar cheese mozzarella sticks. I'll post a link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your pie crust, your maple syrup, and get your pecans roasting sugar, because we're about to bake some maple pecan pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is roast our pecans. Over here, I have a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I lined with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. We're going to add in 2 cups of pecan halves. Going to spread them. Alrighty, now we are ready to roast them. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let them roast for 5 minutes. And be careful not to burn them. Alright, my friends, I am through roasting my pecans. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of pecans roasting. And roasting them will bring out the flavor. So now we're going to set our pecans aside. And also, I increased the temperature to 375 degrees. Let's make the filling. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. Into our eggs, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Next, we're going to add in our sugars, 1/4 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. Going to whisk these together until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cap full of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, and last but not least, our maple syrup. Going to add in 1 cup of pure maple syrup, and make sure you use pure maple syrup. And I also have a recipe for homemade maple syrup. I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. Give it a quick whisk until it's well combined. Be careful not to overmix. Okie dokie, now we're going to add in our roasted pecans and fold them in. I love maple and pecans, one of my favorite combinations, and it smells so good. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my pecans, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in my pecans. Now we are ready to pour the filling into our pie crust. We are going to pour it in a 9-inch pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down in the description box below. You can also use a refrigerated or a frozen pie crust. If using a frozen pie crust, use a deep dish and let it thaw. Alright, beautiful. You ready to go into the oven? And again, the oven is on 375 degrees. Going to let it bake for 45 minutes until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell pecan pie. I just taken it out of the oven. I place it onto my cooling rack. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And I love the smell of maple. Now, this is the important step right here. You don't want to cut it right away. It got to finish setting for another hour. Otherwise, the filling will run over. And that's not pretty. Patience does have its rewards. I'll see y'all in an hour. All right, my friends, there you have it. Maple pecan pie. Don't that look good and pretty? The filling is nice and set. So now I'm about to cut me up a slice and we'll give it a taste. Alrighty, I got a nice big southern slice and I'm serving it with some whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Decadent, luscious. The pecans are nice and crunchy. I can taste the maple. The pie crust is perfectly cooked and flaky. This is phenomenal, my friends. If y'all love maple, this pie will be calling your name. A Southern classic updated. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna grab me some whipped cream. Yum-o. Maple pecan pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Thanksgiving.